coming down and I'm stuck in a maelstrom. Now that all the sun's gone, I thought I'd never be the one to move on. Stuck on you for too long. So I have to go. Only me, have to leave you with nothing. I can't let you know. By design, you just lie, say you love me. Running for my life, trying to dodge everything that falls from your skies. Find all my fears again, and now my tears in the rain. Find all my fears again, and now my tears in the rain. Came for the sun, but you can't stand the dark cloud. Is the thunder too loud? I never thought I'd be the one to back down, but now I can't turn around. Running through your streets, head to toe, drenched. Where did you send your love? 'Cause I didn't see it, and I know you feel it like us. Soaked in your hoodie, can't wash it out. You feel it now, weigh you down with all of the reasons why I'm not still around. So I have to go. Only me, have to leave you with nothing. I can't let you know. By design, you just lie, say you love me. Running for my life, trying to dodge everything that falls from your skies. Find all my fears again, and now my tears in the rain. Had my tears that disappear in the rain. Face my face and miss that I just can't stay. Had my tears that disappear in the rain. Face my face and miss that I just can't stay. Had my tears that disappear in the rain. Face my face and miss that I just can't stay.
What's going on? How we doing? Oh crap, I never upload or I never fixed the payouts received and spent. Guess I can do that right now. Shouldn't be that hard to figure out. Gotta go up here. You guys are seeing my eval, by the way. I was gonna try to snag a quick trade on it. I don't know if I want to do it in pre-market though. Maybe we'll try to do the try to do this. Try to snag 400 of it real quick on the opening trade itself. Then we'll actually hold on. Maybe we'll just do this.
Order filled.
Wow, we got exactly 600. Pretty cool.
Order filled.
I hit the button way too many times there.
Order working.
No, if this shoots against me right now, that's gonna suck. I did not mean to hit it. I like double clicked by accident. Oh no. Come on. Bounce off of there one time. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. If I blow this account because I'm an idiot. My finger like spazzed out and I double clicked. Oh my god. This is gonna shoot against me right at the open too, because it's not gonna let me out, is it? Come on. There we go.
Order filled.
That,
Order working.
give me that one too at least.
Order filled.
Oh no. Good thing I didn't have all of them right there. What did that get to? I was at 610. It went to 609. Four ticks. Yeah, the usual. So maybe it worked out. I don't want to be in this at the open. Couldn't have just filled me. Couldn't have just filled me. 4 ticks. I would like to be out of this, but it's not going to let me. Whatever. Ride or die, baby. Let's go. Let's go. See what happens.
Order working. Order filled.
It's choosing die.
Order
Oh, baby.
filled.
Oh, baby. No. That shot back down so quick. I was going to hopefully get this. I was like, you know what? We're just going to pass this thing. And now we're not. Maybe. I almost added again, but I wanted to see it go lower first. I don't think I would have traded that on the real account anyway, so. Come on, baby. Definitely got greedy there. I should have just took it off, but. I want to see it try this one more time. It's not gonna, is it? There ain't.
Order working. Order filled.
Alright, now we gotta fight. Now I might actually take this on the other one. Oh. Oh, baby. Do that again.
Order working.
Of course, I didn't have any orders out because I wanted to just see what it did. Be careful. I mean, these are huge candles. Careful. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Order filled.
I was about to say, are you kidding me? Come on, man. All we need is that one extra push and we would pass this thing, but it keeps doing this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna get a little risky here.
Order working. Order working.
Shit. Alright. Micros. I'm gonna go at 2. Not this account. Well, this isn't looking good for. I should have not added like I did. I should have just added one back. I got a little greedy there. Twice now I was up around $1,000, and I should have just called it quits because I got to trade it 3 more days regardless anyway. Well, we just need one big pop here. Maybe we try to take one off here and move one of these up. All All right, I'm in this on a real account as well. I'm only in 2 contracts though.
Order filled.
Well, there goes that again. That's so fucking annoying, man. I should have just got out when I should have. All right, well, this is the real account. That fucking sucks. What a move down here. And I added too fast on that last one. I got stupid. All right. Just an eval, just annoying because I want to get the 5th account back.
Order working.
Of course it'll work from here, which is good because now we're on the real account and then we can pay for a new eval. Or $102.
Order filled.
And take some off there. Try to hold for the bigger move. If we can't get the 50 pop here. $50 pop, we should hopefully get filled. Of course it works, right? If I wouldn't have added so fast, I would have been fine. Are you kidding me? See, 3 ticks. That's 3 ticks right there. There we go. I'll say I even moved it down. All right, we'll lock 272 in. Switch over. Damn it. All right, let me go. I'm gonna go grab another account. See if we can't pass first half. Because this is the kind of volatility you want to pass these accounts. I was up. So annoying. I should have just took it off when I was near 1,000 because I had 3 more days to just make another 500. Stupid, man. Stupid. Why is my chat not working? I just noticed that. Oh, my top chat wasn't doing anything. That's so weird. What's going on, everybody? I thought no one was talking. I was like, where is everybody?
He needs some milk.
All right, let me open up a new instance of Tradeovate real quick. That's frustrating. I mean, like I said, it was just an eval, but I was already half past it. So it would have been nice. We would have been right there for the next 3 days. It's just dumb. All right. I got short with 1 contract. I'm going to see if we can't make our way back down here at 600. I mean, what a V straight back up. I would assume maybe we at least get a little relief back down before we try to go higher. All right, I added a contract. We're in 2. Come on. One nice little breakdown towards 50 and be pretty good. Come on. Oh, it tried. It's going to fake it out, isn't it? I really feel like it should have went right there if it was going to go. Now they're holding it up. Yeah, this isn't good. This feels like they're trying to hold it up. Oh, go. Drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Go. All right. Oh, I tried to take one off. It didn't give it to me. No, I think even. Oh. There it is. All right. Out one. We get the drop to 50. We pretty much be at our 1500. Go. Cool. All right. We're at 1235 on that account. I am going to try to make the other 260 or so. I should have just held that first one, but I was just getting out a little just in case I wanted to try to fake out. I'm going to let it do its thing first. I don't want to get in long or short here because I feel like it could go either way. If we get a little closer to low a day, I'll try to scalp to the long side real quick. I'm not going to touch it right now, though. So we're almost back to where we started, just $102 less. But we are up 272 on the real account, so kind of paid for that. All right, let me update. Let me pull this over calculator while we're watching that. By the way, Rob, Don, Sophie, Donna, Trader NQ, Donovan, Joyce Fernandez, GDT, Hines, First Step. How we all doing? Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. I actually had a really good weekend. I was very busy. And the kids are in camp this week, so that's a little better. I have to leave a little early today, probably around like 11:15. Because I'm actually headed to the golf store. I got to be there by 12. And then after that, we should be set for the rest of the week. Have a nice week with no kids. Not that I don't love my kids, but all right. Oops. I might try to scalp this real quick. Let's see. All right. I'm going to try to scalp this. I'm currently long. I'm not looking for much here. Just a quick little bounce before we hopefully break the lows off 500. If this breaks the lows, though, we might be in some shit. We might give everything back that we we just made. Really don't want to add. Just need a little bit of a bounce. Come on. Of course, I got it like right where it's bouncing off of. I hit it on the way back up. I'm in at 520 basically. Yeah, if this breaks 500, we're gonna probably break the lows and go. So we need. I'd rather honestly just get out of this if I can. Go, pop it, pop it, pop it. Oh, I tried to get out. Didn't let me. No. Shit. I should have just flattened. Fuck. Yeah, this isn't good. I tried to get out at 23 and I hit it on the way back down. It didn't let me out. I should have just flattened. I shouldn't have tried to get out on the ask. This is not good. I don't want to add. All right, my take profit is at 29.5. Hopefully we can just get that little pop. Come on. 29.5 should put us at like 14 something. And I'll just be done with it for today. Or I'll flip to MNQ and try to get the rest that way. Because it would only be like 50 bucks or 70 bucks or something. But this ain't looking good at the moment. Maybe a little fake out through the lows here. We don't want to see it shoot down too much. All right, I just added looking for it to be a fake out. If it's not a fake out, we're in trouble. Oh, shit. All right, we're in trouble. Might be looking for a trade on the real account here again. All right, we need a 500 retest real quick, or we're in trouble. Ah, man. This thing is just dumping. Well, I guess I'll get ready up here. We hit the bands. If we get to the bands, my trade over here is toast.
Order working. Order filled.
All right, gonna start. Fuck. It just stopped me out over there. So we should be good to go here. All right, we need at least $102. Fuck, man.
Order
Again,
working.
I literally caught the bot. I'm literally a bottom ticker at the moment on that stop out. All because I added one too quick again. Getting my ass kicked today with the trying to be aggressive on these evals. Again, I was up 12 something. I didn't need to push it. I was like, but I'm going to go for it. I should have waited for low a day, like I said, and I'd still be in this trade and I'd be fine. I'm just being impatient. And I could have had it if I would have just held it on the first trade, the first contract. I would have had it and I wouldn't even have been in that trade. So stupid, man. Looking for this 500 retest plus this previous low a day retest at 85. It's kind of what I'm looking for here. It's looking like we're going to get it. Trying to be patient for it here. I would assume we go up and retest 500, but I would assume we at least test 80 because that was the previous low a day here. Come on. Do me dirty again. I can't win today. I mean, I can, obviously, but can't seem to get the extra little bit. It's been 4 ticks, 3 ticks. This one's a little more than that, but 74. I'm at 78, so 4 points. Come on. There we go. All right. 177 there. I'll take that. All right. See if I can load up another eval real quick. What did Sophie ask? Is this a new challenge? Yeah, it was. Sorry. Do I only trade the NQ? Yeah, I love me some NQ. Love me some NQ. Wow, look at that drop. Got out just in time. Come on, a little bit more. You bastard. All I needed was like 5 more points. 60. I needed like 65 and it went to 60. It's brutal. All right, see if we can get it. I put an order at 68. I think that should be right around what I need. Come on. Yeah, it's like right at it. Oh, there it is. Oh shit, I made too much. All right, 1590. I got to go to M and Q and lose some of this. All right, 1501 is where we're at. Let me go. I want to go under it. All right, 1496.50. Good to go. All right, close that out. We got one for tomorrow. Give me 1 sec, boys and girls.
Pussy!
All right, watching if we break low a day here. Where is Rumo? I don't know. One wheeler, what's going on? All right, looking for a little bit more of a push down here. We can get a push down through 350 here. I'm going to be in. Oh, yeah, I got to switch to 183. 183.
Order filled.
Should have waited.
Order filled. Order working. Order working.
These are some big candles, so careful. And take some off there. We'll look for more on the rest. First entry, I got a little antsy there. That was such a good candle into the almost to the bands. I got a little FOMO
Order
there.
filled.
I like where we're at here, though. I think we'll get some sort of a bounce. We'll probably eventually get a retest of this 420 area, but I'm obviously not looking for all of that.
Your love is something I could get used to.
Almost added, but I wanted to see a little bit more of a push down if I was going to add there.
Spend my time with life with you, and it's been killing me to keep secretly wanting someone who can only love me back secretly.
Shit. Of course, it came right up to my order.
Order filled.
Came right up to my order and said, F you, bro.
Order working.
I wasn't paying attention either. I was on a different screen looking at something. I probably would have took it off. I'm gonna be pretty mad at myself if that ends up costing me. Where are we at on the day overall? Just out of curiosity. Oh, we're right. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Actually, that makes me feel a little better. That we should hopefully bounce here. I did not know that at all. Of course, it comes right up to my average. Average is true average, basically, because of the take profit we had. So, basically just trying to get some off break even. Of course not. I want to get this one off, these two off, just to reduce the risk, just in case we do try lower. You got to be kidding me, bro. 33.50, 6 points, or 6 ticks. Oh my god. 33.50, same thing. Ran into this. You got to be kidding me, bro. Couldn't fill that, because if it fills that, then we can. Oh my god, man. This market is a joke sometimes. What a joke. this point, we can probably move it up just a smidge. Because if we break that, the odds are we're going to go more than 6 ticks. And if not, I'm just going to probably get out for the small loss. Get under 50 as well. Not really looking to be greedy here. After all this, when it came up to me and just... after it came up and missed me just barely, that's just some BS. I'm just looking to basically get out at this point. I'm in front of 50 now, just in case it wants to run into 50.
So now push it. Push it good. Push it real good.
Well, I was going to scale one out and try to hold one for a bigger move up, but... this does not want to go higher. Like this could just... if we stay below here, I mean, this thing could just dump. And at least we got that off, I guess. Gives us more room to play with. And we're only in 2 contracts, by the way, and we're... this is crazy. Guess I should have just got out. I really thought that might have been our attempt to come retest 400, 420, but nope. And it still might be. Maybe this is a little fake out. If we can get back above 300 and hold it, should probably be okay. If we can get back up to here, I'll look to take one off at 350 and then try to hold the other one. See if we can get the much bigger move. It's kind of my thought process here is if we can start moving up, we're probably gonna go. So it would be nice to try to be a part of that. Come on, baby. Shoot up there. Come on. Give me that 350. I want that 350, man. Am I being greedy? Yes. But if I'm going to set my stop where my average is now, I need at least the one off at 350 to make it worthwhile, especially because our stop can get hit instantly, as you just saw. I mean, we're moving 30, 40 points at a time right now. Hoping if we got back up here, if we broke that previous candle here, we would just go. All right, here we go. Try it again. Looking for the big push through, at least up to here to like 370. I just want to see somewhere, if I see the push to 350, whatever it does, I'm going to take at least one off. Come on. Does not want to do it, man. That was not 350. It's 345. I want to see the 350 test. Just running into a bunch of sellers here, I guess. All right. Previous candle, I'm done.
Order working.
Take the small loss. All right, I guess we're taking the small
Stop
loss.
filled.
Whatever. If we couldn't get up there, the odds are we were just going. So smart stop out. Good stop out there. We either go back up there or we're coming to retest the lows. So the stop out. I was hoping to get one off, and then we would have actually still been green after that. But I'm not gonna hold through what is pretty obvious. Oh snap, Donald. Romu, what's up? All right, I will look to get back in here.
Order filled.
Damn. I was kind of hoping the new candle.
Order working.
I was hoping the new candle was.
Order filled.
I was hoping the new candle was gonna give us that quick little rebound on a fake out, but oh no, Jesus,
Order filled.
we're in trouble.
Order working. Order working.
Now we're above 50 again. This sucks.
Order working.
Top of this candle would be nice.
Order filled.
Top of this candle would be nice. Top of this candle would be nice. Top of this candle would be nice. Come on. Come on. Dick for a tick.
Order
Let's
filled.
go. All right. So we went from 42 down to 48 up. What's that, like 80, 90 bucks? I'll take it. What's this back green? This is I mean, scroll out, guys. Look at this open. Look since what is the break here at like 9:20? So pre-market. We broke and we haven't looked back. I've been fighting it ever since. But we're green. Well, minus the 2 evals, but I would never trade a real account like I do the evals, so. $6.4K across, so you went short. Let's go. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to hear. CME launches single stock futures. That was today. Real future contracts tied to single big companies like Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, even SpaceX. Same idea as trading the ES&Q. All right. So how do I see these? Does anybody have a list of the tickers? I'm gonna Google it. Single stock futures tickers. Not seeing anything. Oh, I thought I just wait. What? Oh, it's just a CM. Okay. As for TPT, nothing changes on our end right now. We're watching. Yeah, but still somewhere there's got to be a list of the tickers, right? What would be the best way to bring a Tradeify growth account to the 35% consistency rule? So if it's like a 50K account, you need 3K for the payout, right? So you just multiply that by 0.35, which means 1,050. So just make it no more than 1,050 a day. So you stay under that 35% rule. There is a list. Do we have a link by chance? Jason, juice market oversold on all time frames. Almost 30-minute. This might squeeze up fast. I don't know, man. Or it might just dump. What does the daily look like? Yeah, we're still under. Like I said, we were talking about this last week. If we broke this, what is this, 28,500 area and stayed under it, we don't have anything. We don't have anything until all the way down here at like 26.8. So we could just dump, in my opinion. Yeah, if we can find that list, that'd be sweet. What happens if I am over by a lot? Do I just keep trading? Well, yeah. So it's 35% of your biggest day. Your biggest day is 35% of it. BDT, not here. You're such a dick. You're such a dick. I clicked it with such confidence that I was about to see everything too. Oh, you dick. That was good. That was good. I compliment you on that one. That was good. Ugh.
Player 1, press start. You are now listening to Bromad. Player 1 has entered the game. I'm Swaglord, your personal assistant. Please press start to begin. Mod your friends to like dubstep. Mod your friends to come to praise. Mod your friends.
If your friends aren't doing stuff like that to you, they aren't your real friends.
Mod your friends to buy you food.
The heck are you?
Your friends to buy you clothes. Mod
Like
your friends to come to the beach.
Oh,
Modifications to mod your friends. Sorry, I didn't quite get that.
so I talked to. How come I can't?
Mod your friends to
Uh,
stop listening to Taylor Swift.
I did that last time. About the.
To stop them using the sync button.
And
Add modifications to your friends for maximum enjoyment. You want your friends to want to please, want to
asked off the one. And he was like, he,
Gay!
but I was like, told him I looked it up and had more, but I was like, no. But I was just from the get would make it sound like adding it.
Tonight, I wish that I had known I'd be sleeping alone, that you can't decide. And it is plain to see that your priorities just do not fit right. I can't reconcile this feeling. Whoa, whoa, 'cause I remember when you had certainty.
Yeah, that's, yeah. Dude, we've been doing it. Hold on. I want you guys to hear this too. So Alpine, one of the traders, he was eating cherries on his stream, I don't know, Thursday or something. And I was like, dude, I was just eating cherries. My mom had bought some. They were really good. And like they're in season. And he was like, yeah, man, these are really good. And but I noticed he was doing this and he was doing this, but then he would never spit out a seed. No, he was eating them out of the bag. What do you think, GDT? Just he said, "I've had your mom's cherries." Anyways, not yet. Been doing that after the stream because sometimes I'll hour to. But I asked after like the fifth one, I'm like, dude, are you eating the seeds? Like the pits inside? And he's like, yeah, you don't? And I was like, no, like what are you doing? I was like, you're supposed to spit that out. And he was like, well, I don't chew them. He was like, I just swallow them. Well, apparently, if you don't swallow them, your body doesn't digest them. Well, apparently if you swallow them, it's like corn, and it goes through your body and you poop them out. I was like, no, he chews the cherry and then swallows the seed. So he eats the cherry like I do, but then he just swallows the seed. Yeah, Alpine swallows seeds, guys. But I was just like, dude, that is like. So I looked it up, and if you chew the seed, the stuff inside the seeds is bad for you. But since your body doesn't process the seeds, it's fine. But he was like, it's too much of a pain to, put the seeds somewhere. And I'm like, you're putting the stems in. Like, and how is it more of an inconvenience to get a little something to throw them away versus your body having to, yeah. Dude, I was like, what is going on here? Yeah, like GT is like, why would you want to send a rock through your intestines on purpose? I agree.
That don't make no sense.
Probably. Yes. No. I going to golf. Well. In the kids. Oh. So this was that run I was telling you about that was crazy since the end of March. Then we had a big dump, and then we went all the way back up last week. And now ever since then it will. It's a matter of when. But it'll always more talk. There's only 13? Really? What's up, Methodical Man? How you doing, Clevis? You just put the what? Oh. Yeah, thank you. Alright. Well, let's get the likes up first. If we can get to, I don't know, like 75 likes or so, we'll start marbles. Because I do have to get out of here early. Yeah, I can't see it. Yeah. I mean, I don't. Look at this dump. Call it the Trump dump. The Trump dump. Is this the actual crash now? Remember back in, I don't know, I was just looking at it. Was it May? I was like, whoa, look at that dump. But now we're below those levels. After we went all the way back up and didn't go higher. I can't even see the likes. Where are the likes? Oh, we got 57 now. Okay. Most of you hit the button. Thank you. Oh, wow. I missed that. I missed that dump. Yeah. I went right back to 102. Damn it.
Gotta get that hawk.
I would have totally traded that.
On that thing.
I was looking for likes. Look at that. Beautiful. Extension candle into the bands, through a key level. That was an instant 25, 30 points. Now we got to be careful. This thing is getting scary. Looking for the attack zone here through 50. If we can get through 50 here, that'd be sweet. Hang it. Right into the bands again, though. Honestly, I thought we were just going to dump through 50 there. We're getting really close to 28K as well. I mean, we're going to bounce at some point, right? Probably back up to like 150. Aw. I am spitting. Right. I got 4 more cherries and then I'll stop spitting.
Brother,
Ooh. All done with those. Sorry, I can't not eat cherries when they're given to me. They're too good. Let me throw these away. Yeesh. Still going lower. Brother, are they working? I've heard some. Or are they like actually working on your side? They're working. I love it. All right, here comes 28K. The bands would be 28K. This is pretty nutty. What a move down. From the open, we're down almost 600 points. All right, let me go looking for this list real quick. Single stock futures, how to trade. Stock futures list. Apparently I should make a website and put this list on here because you sent it here? Oh, well, let me scroll. Rob, it might have blocked it because it was a link though. Yeah, all I see is there is a list and then it says click daily movers, then load all. Can you send it in the Discord? Here we are, 28K. I'm looking for the push through 28K here to get in for the retest. Sheesh. What is going on here? DDT sent one? Yeah, he sure did. What are we up today? So far, well, minus the two evals. 77. Oops. Oh, plus. No, dang it. We're up almost 500 bucks, or $3 short of 500 bucks. Sheesh, look at this thing go. we going for the 1,000-point day? Absolutely insane. The fact I've only lost 2 evals today is pretty insane, actually. Knowing that I'm trading against this. This is insane. Absolutely insane. I hope we get action like this tomorrow, too, so I can try to pass the eval. Damn.
Order filled. Order working.
Looking for the quick bounce here, all 50. Nice extension candle down. Just front running, 28K retest. The bands are pretty far away though, so. What a move, man. Let's see. Got the extra push down through 50, would have been the better entry, obviously. But I still think we'll get this little retest here. Previous candle retest, hopefully. I would think they're going to try to retest 28K, but I'm just front running it. Just looking for the quick scalp. Gotta be kidding me with this. 76.25. That was 4 ticks, but it worked out. All right. So up to 117 there. Still waiting for... So the reason I'm not going to trade this other account, by the way, is because we're still waiting for the 453 from Friday to come out. Still hasn't come out. Just to show you. Oh yeah, let me get the... I still have Canva up. I never... That was the one thing I never actually ended up doing. Rob, did you send me that link by chance? No? Or did you send it in the main chat? Yeah, you did. Got it. Single stock futures. Oh, here we go. Oh, so they're literally just... Oh, S? Yeah, let's see. I wanted to see if one's on here. Oh, well, it's not going to be on here. That's right. Okay. Well, at least I have the list. I'm going to leave this list open. Thank you, Rob. I appreciate that. All right. Canva. Open. All right. Calculator. I'm just going to add this 450. Well, I got to do 90% of it. So it's 453 times 0.9. So plus. We're getting close to that 100K. Let's go. 5965. Spent. All right, 102, 102, and then I got to add that number from previous 1365. Why didn't you guys tell me to hold? Share, download. Oh, wait, I never added. Hold on, I got one more to add. Almost at the 100 DMA on NQ. That's crazy. A nice little down move. Jeez, man. Look at it. It just won't stop. Somebody knows something. Somebody knows something. Let's pay out. There it is. So 6.5 plus. All right. We're over 96,000 at least. 5, 4. All right. Download. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Woo! Look at that little pop. Look at that little pop candle. 28K retest. I guess this one technically was as well. Yeah. What'd that go to? 797 or 997? This could be it. They could have just faked out 28K and now we'll come up here and retest that 220 I was talking about. Sheesh. Imagine that, a 220 retest. It's just, you know, a casual 300 point move back up for a retest. Insane. That's the first candle we've had that really is like, hey, we're going back up. But I don't trust it. I don't trust any of this. Diego, what's going on? All right, let me swap these out real quick. Downloads. Cut. Paste. Over here. Media source. Boom. Boom. And delete. Boom. All right. All caught up on the payouts received and spent. I meant to do that last night, but I totally just spaced out on that. All right, let's do... Wait, what? Why did that not load as a... Oh, because it opened in Notepad. Okay, open with... There we go. Find... Copy, minimize that, the link, that, change it to that, go like this, and boom. 2 minutes! Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 2 minutes. Get them in, let's play some marbles. Let's play some marbles. You know what? Let me make this a little smaller just so you guys can see it. Minute 25. Get them in. Get them in. Try to give away some money before I get out of here. Right after these 3 races, I'm gonna be a gonzer. I want to warm up a little bit before I go, and then I also have a couple things I want to get done. Cause I gotta leave around like 11:20 or so. By the time we get this done, it's gonna be like 11:05. So, yeah. $50 seconds. Get them in. 50 seconds. Exclamation point marbles. Is today the day we give away the money honey? The money honey. Two, one, and we're done. Hey, at least I know you typed it twice, or did I turn that off? Oh, you got. Oh no, yeah, it was on. Good job, guys. You guys are getting the hang of this. Let's go. You guys are getting the hang of this. I should have got long, man. I told you this was coming. Why is Marvel's not coming up?
That was legitness.
Oh, there. I was like, why is it not coming up? I have it loaded. All right, 100 exactly. Cash counter back on there. Change it to 190. Hey, didn't we have 100 exact last time too? Damn, man, look at this chart. I'm having major FOMO because I told you right here that was the kind of that's the kind of candle we hadn't seen this entire move, especially right after a fake out lower. Damn it, man. Could have got in somewhere around here. That's already 100 points. It's okay. It's all right. That's not my trade, but that's Zishan. Zishan, you getting the V? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Trader hats. First one up. Zishan, did you get it? Gonzalez! Let's sit here at the lasers, see who gets lasered. Step on up. Who wants to be the next one to go through the lasers of doom? The lasers of doom. McTodd K. Are you Miss K's husband? Is Miss K's husband McTodd K? See how Nutty's doing. He's green. Let's go. He likes to trade with the trend though, so that's today was good for him. He's a trend trader. Nutty 3.0 trend trader. Oh yeah, he's doing really good today. I'm clipping. You guys are dead, so. Oh, come on, Machado. The first race and you're already stuck. Come on. They need to put a laser in there for when this happens. Obviously, that's why they put that laser and this laser, but they didn't put a laser in there. Joke. All right, here we go. Race number 2 of 3. Time to trade. Timet. Tibet. Tibet.
Level up, come on! Yeah! Timber!
Clevis.
Pussy.
Am I on Jason? Ooh, Jason. 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 What'd you call me, Don? What'd you call me? What'd you call me? Go to the model. This dude is a professional male model. His name is Rob. You guys haven't seen him, go check him out on X. Dude is, oh, yeah. He's so sexy, he can't even race to the end of it. He can't race to the end because he's too sexy. He too sexy. Ooh, you snuck over there, Papa now. You sneaky little boy. I could totally go way longer. I just like to act like, you know. The market is giving me FOMO. Zishan, did you get this? You're a hand model. He's a full body model. All right, last one, and I'm getting out of here. Calling it early. Gonzalez, first one up. Take us to the promised land, Gonzalez. To the promised land. Both of those lasers came for you, Don. Ooh, see, Papa now went the other way last time. You guys are not so lucky. Ooh, David, you went right between them and got through. I want to see what David does. Where's David? Oh, he's in. Imagine David wins after pulling that off. I'm watching David. I don't care what you two do. Oh, David split you guys too! Dude, David, come on. If you make it through here, I am convinced you're going to win. If you make it through these lasers. Darth Trader Pro! Stay up! Stay up! Yes! 2 of them! Yes! Last race, we got at least two chances. We got at least 2 chances. God, this chart is giving me FOMO, man. Holy crap. Got the 3. Got the 3. Yeah, we did a little early today because I got to go a little early. Nanette! Nanette! Come on, baby! No! Trading Amy. You're our last hope. You're our last hope. Painful. Painful. Look at this. Look at this V, Zishan. You better have got this. Look at this V, man. I called it down here, too, because we went lower, we faked it out, and we shot up. This green candle right here is where you could get an entry. Right back through 28K and everything. Even if you wait for the retest under 28K, and as we come back through again, I mean, 0 drawdown V. All right, I'm out of here. I will see you all tomorrow. Same time, same place. Appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for hitting that like button. I will see you in the morning. Until then, don't do anything stupid. And I'll see you in the... Yeah, tomorrow morning. Peace.
Level out, come on! Yeah! Come on! Come on! Come on! Level out, come on! Come on!